friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Amanda Hair. This is their 13x4 free everything glueless frontal wig in the loose wave texture. The lace is HD, and this time it comes with the pre-stuck tape as well as the drawstring at the back you can pull and secure, and then you just tuck it inside. She can be worn 100% glueless, as you can see. I'm gonna try it on and then we'll decide if we're gonna tint it. I'm guessing I will, but I want to show you guys what it's giving. Okay, that's what the lace is looking like. We're going to put some foundation. So you should be able to just pull the tape off and wear it. We secured the other side as well. She is glueless. It definitely needs to be recurled. This is what she's looking like fresh out of the box. Okay, so she needs to be recurled. We just can't have it looking like that. I think it'll be easier if I just separate a big portion of the hair and then just curl it. If I notice that like I can see the lace right at the edge there, I go in with some really dark eyeshadow, like a blackish color, and I just put some right there, and that's gonna hide where the lace starts, and like it's just gonna look like it's growing from your scalp kind of thing. So it's okay if the lace doesn't reach all the way to the ear. Just put some powder right there and you'll be good to go, girl. Do you see that crispy part? Yeah, that's what we want.
I ran away from heartbreak.
Pull that.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in a half up, half down style. I'm gonna use some mousse.
Of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side, building on the west.
Okay, that style's cute. And I think we'll finish it off with a pony.
Like your pics, I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements living free in my mind. Moody.
That is cute. Making sure to pull my drawstring.
I but I keep everybody at a distance.
Of course, it wouldn't be a caviar Kez install without a half up and a ponytail and a bun, right? Guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye!